Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Apple Music playlist disappeared problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that is that you have to verify your subscription inactive, then toggle the sync library switch off on in your device settings. For that you have to go to your settings, go back from this section, go to apps, search music, go to music, and here you will simply toggle off the sync library. Once you have done that, you have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes and toggle it back on. Once you do that, you should be able to find your playlist, and that should solve your problem. Next is you have to verify your Apple ID. You have to ensure you are signed into the exact same Apple ID used to create the playlist. What you need to do is you need to go to your settings and you have to make sure that you have the same ID, Apple ID logged in your playlist, Apple Music, and also in your device. If you have recently changed, then all you have to do is simply re-log in with the same ID. Next is checking your subscription. You have to go to your ID and then go to the subscription section and then make sure that you have Apple Music subscription. If it has been expired, all you have to do is retake it so you can reclaim your particular playlist. Now that's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.